Hello viewers, this is another scheme launched by our government. I have already explained some of the schemes that have been launched by our central government or state government. You can see all these government schemes from my playlist. Here I will discuss some other government schemes. The first one is Nalsa mobile app. Basically, this is a mobile app, and through this app the poor section of society can avail free legal aid. Okay, so this app has been launched by our Honorable Chief Justice of India, N.V. Raman. So basically this app has been launched to aid the poor section of society so that they can avail free legal aid. Okay, NALSA is basically National Legal Service Authority, which was constructed under Legal Service Authorities Act 1987. Okay, here is Faceless Transport Service. This scheme is launched by Arvind Kejriwal, who is the present Chief Minister of Delhi. Through this service, citizen can get transport related service. They need not to go to transport office to get the services. So this is a revolutionary steps taken by our Delhi government so that the citizen can avail the transport related service sitting at home, and they can save their money as well as time. So here you can see another government scheme that I have mentioned, that is Indira Gandhi Urban Credit Card Scheme, which is launched by Rajasthan government. The Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot, has launched this scheme. This scheme aims to help the urban unemployed youth by providing them a loan of 50,000 rupees, which is absolutely interest free. Basically, the government is trying to help those youth who has lost their jobs in the pandemic, and this amount is provided to them so that they can start any kind of small business. So here is another scheme that I have mentioned here, that is Karkhanda scheme, which is launched by Jammu and Kashmir. It is basically launched to revive the languishing craft industry. Apart from this, it has two another intention. First one is to upgrade the skills of the trainee, and second one is to upgrade the technique. So here you can see another government scheme, Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Bhumihin Mazdoor Nyay Yojana, that is launched by Chhattisgarh, and present Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel. Okay, so the government will provide 6,000 rupees yearly to those family which depend on agriculture. Okay, they don't have any agricultural land of their own. They depend on agriculture for their profession. So it will be provided to the agricultural labor. Apart from this, the barber or the blacksmiths are also eligible for the schemes. So on the death of the head of the family member, the other family members will be given rupees 6,000 by the government per year, and it will be given in 2 installment through DBT. DBT means direct benefit transfer. It means that the amount will be directly transferred to the beneficiary's account. Here I have mentioned a scheme, that is Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti National Master Plan, which is launched by our Honorable Prime Minister, and it aims to improve the infrastructure of the country. We know that the infrastructure of the village of our country is very poor, and it aims to connect every village with road, and it will provide pure drinking water to every households, and make proper electrification of the villages. It will ensure that every beneficiary will have proper gas connection through Ujjwala scheme. Every beneficiary will have their Ayushman Bharat card. So it will basically improve the infrastructure of the country. It will try to mitigate the unemployment problem of the country. For this scheme, the government has mentioned a budget that is 100 lakh crore, and it will integrate 16 government institutions in one platform, and it will connect the local traders to the foreigners, and it will boost the manufacturing sector. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it, share it. Thank you.